Here is how to apply and style the pony wrap. You can place your ponytail either on the middle or bottom of your head to create different effects. I will place mine at the higher part of my head for a more professional look. The pony wrap comes with a Velcro lining to keep a tight hold of your hair, as well as a clip at the top that goes into the inside of the ponytail. Press down firmly, then holding the left side of the piece with your left hand, tautly bring the right side of the piece under so that the Velcro closes together. Now wrap the hair around until you are left with the last inch or so of hair. The pony wrap comes with 2 bobby pins that can be used to hold the end pieces down. To finish the look, bobby pin the ends to the inside of your original ponytail, then cover the bobby pins with the wrap.